Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you my own personal round baler. This is a 2015 New Holland 450 utility. I bought this new in, I just was looking back through, I believe it was May of 2017, brand new. It was never used. It was actually a factory leftover. I put the very first bale through it. The thing has been shed kept here. I keep it washed, I keep it waxed. I have 600 and, we gotta go up and I'll show you in the morning, I think 630 bales through it. We just get done. I made 20 couple bales over here of third cut and fine hay, and we didn't get the good weather, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go to a silage baler next year. I'm going to order, actually here in another week, I'm gonna order a New Holland roll belt 450 silage special. So this baler, whenever I bought it, I had some options, so I had all the options I could really get put on it. Flotation tires, gathering wheels. It is net and twine. I've never run twine through it. Something else I gotta go look back through my sheet. Gauge wheel kit on both sides I had put on. So there's options on this baler. Again, we've never had a single issue with this baler other than from that bale density cylinder there. New Holland did have to put an update kit on that, but it bales a good bale. I love this little baler, but I went to a bigger tractor. I was running a 70 horse tractor when I started this. Bought this baler brand new. So I went to a 111 horsepower tractor now, so now I have the power to run a silage special baler, and that's what I'm going to do. We have it here so you can see all my sheet metal is good and straight. I have one little ding, I don't even know how I did it, right here in this back panel. You wouldn't even see it right here. If you didn't even know it, you would never see it there. I bought this new from my local New Holland dealer, Forsy's Ag and Industrial. Work back and forth with them a lot on equipment. But I buy all my farm machinery stuff from them. Power shaft. Again, you can see I've never had the twine in it. Has a almost new roll of net wrap I just put in back in August when I finished baling. Lights, hook up here, it'll come full wiring harness, one remote needed. All my chains are excellent. Again, I've only ever baled this on net, never had it flossed on twine, but it is a net twine unit. Braden, kick PTO in. All my belts are excellent. There was one belt that I caught a stone one day. We'll see it here somewhere, it comes along. It's got one little spot. Right there it went. That's it. Floor rollers, everything here is excellent. Still paint on all of them. Bale Ramp, that was the other thing I had added. That was not standard. It does have the Bale Ramp and the flotation tires. Anniversary. Again, I bought this brand new at Forsy's Ag and Industrial. I kept all of my, where your dust and stuff collect, I kept that all washed up really good. We usually wax it twice a year. Put it down, Braden. Put her down. Let it run. We just blew everything out. I just washed it. We greased it, oiled the chains, and it's getting ready to go in the shed here for winter. And again, I do not let it set out. And the bad thing was I should have bought one of these come spring of this year, and I just didn't do it. And they are telling me possibility I may get my new baler in May or June of next year. So that's the problem about finding stuff right now. Run it up and down, Braden. All my lights work. I never roaded this baler. I have 65 acres here at home. It went from across the township road and back here on our property. I have nothing broke, welded. You can see how nice of a shine there is on this baler. Like I said, this is my own personal unit. Stickers are still on here for the gathering wheels. Pickup teeth, all excellent condition. It's good. We're gonna head in the tractor here real quick. Sorry to kind of bounce you guys all around. Take in here to the monitor. We have this wired to this tractor. So I have mine set to bale a 54-inch bale. Right there showing you 30. Bale count. I just baled the 20 that's over here last week. 655 bales of net I've made on this baler total. That's what's on this baler. 20 that were just tied. We'll go back to that. 0 and 0 of twine. So all I gotta do here is go and hit reset. And we're back ready for spring of next year, the 2022 hay season. But that is the bale command monitor. I have all the thing here. It usually gets thrown away. It shows you all the stuff. If you'd ever have any warnings or anything like that. Monitor mount will come with it. Again, I have this on my M5 111. Again, this is my own personal baler. It's not something I bought to sell. I have a fleet of farm stuff. Over there sits my disc bind, my rake, a couple rakes, my Rhino batwing. But this is my own personal stuff. This will be sold from Nick Miller farm, a farm entity of mine, to the new owner. And again, this is something that's kept inside along with this tractor. So any questions, 814-658-3066. Ask for Nick Miller. Again, I purchased brand new. I bought it in 17. It was a 15 left over. Gathering wheel, dual gauge wheels, gathering wheels I should say, dual gauge wheels, Bale Ramp, the flotation tires, net twine combo, and the, I think they call that a New Holland Command 2 monitor. 40th anniversary roll belt 450 utility. Excellent little baler. Again, I'm just going to a silage baler so I can do some different things with my Hereford that I have. So any questions, 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. As always, have a great day.